Deep beneath the arid expanse of the Negev desert, a colossal engineering marvel is quietly reshaping the nation's geography. A massive steel water conduit, measuring an astonishing 2.7 meters in diameter, cuts through the barren dunes. This heavy industrial infrastructure is engineered to withstand extreme hydrodynamic pressure while moving millions of cubic meters of water. The central pipeline acts as an artificial river, forcefully pushing vital fresh water directly against harsh topographic elevations. Driving this fresh water from the Mediterranean coast onto high desert plateaus requires overcoming a grueling 300-meter vertical climb. Such an immense technical feat demands heavy mechanical synchronization combined with absolute precision down to the millimeter. Inside the automated production facility, high-strength carbon steel plates are fed into giant heavy machinery lines. A massive 20-kilowatt industrial fiber laser cutter glides steadily across the thick metallic edges. The intense laser beam bevels a 25-millimeter thick steel sheet with an exact surface tolerance under 0.1 millimeters. This microscopic precision is mandatory to prepare each massive section for the subsequent automated robotic welding process. For the high-velocity flow control valves at crucial pumping nodes, advanced metal 3D printing technology is applied. Selective laser melting fuses wear-resistant duraluminum alloy to fabricate the intricate interior geometries of the valve components. The curvature of each internal valve vane is highly optimized to eliminate devastating cavitation effects completely. This severe physical phenomenon generates high-pressure microbubbles capable of eroding solid metal surfaces like an invisible hydraulic hammer. The incredible thrust required to maintain a constant flow velocity of 5 meters per second comes from massive pump matrix stations. At these specialized pressure facilities, 3 enormous synchronous electric motors operate continuously without a single interruption. Each massive power unit consumes an immense amount of electricity, rated at 30 megawatts per hour. The total electrical load required by this single pumping node equals the energy consumption of a medium city. This multi-stage centrifugal system heavily compresses the water mass, creating high static pressure within the line. The internal pressure reaches 40 bar, which places a staggering 400 tons of weight per square meter. Every minute fluctuation in hydrodynamic pressure is monitored by centralized computer systems to maintain absolute system balance. This rigorous data control prevents dangerous water hammer effects, which could rupture the steel line if stopped suddenly. The field construction phase initiates with the strategic movement of these ultra-heavy steel structures across rugged terrain. Heavy-duty crawler tractors and 500-ton capacity cranes coordinate smoothly to lower each segment into deep trenches. The deep excavation lines are structurally reinforced beforehand to completely prevent soil shifting or sudden cave-ins. Right at the connection joint, an automated robotic welding machine tracks along the outer circumference of the pipe. The heavy robotic arm is meticulously programmed with specific wave amplitudes to manage exact heat distribution. This specialized thermal management completely eliminates residual stress, ensuring the metal connection remains highly durable. Once the physical welding sequence finishes, every single meter of the joint undergoes strict, non-destructive testing. Digital ultrasonic equipment paired with field radiography scanners performs high-resolution internal cross-section structural profiling. This advanced structural profiling aims to detect any microscopic air bubbles or hairline fissures hidden deep inside the fusion layer. Even a sub-millimeter flaw could compromise the entire project under the immense stress of continuous water transportation. Following the rigorous weld validation, the pipeline is subjected to a brutal hydrodynamic pressure simulation test. Engineers completely fill the massive steel conduit with pressurized water, maintaining peak load for 48 consecutive hours. This testing sequence mimics the extreme thermal expansion and contraction cycles naturally caused by the harsh desert climate. The external steel surface experiences massive temperature swings, soaring to 45 degrees Celsius during peak daylight. As night rapidly falls over the dunes, the ambient temperature plummets dramatically down near freezing levels. This immense thermal stress forces the heavy metallic molecular structure to expand and contract at its physical limits. To guarantee total long-term durability, the outer layer of the steel conduit is wrapped in multi-layered protective coatings. Automated wrapping machinery applies dense layers of polymer insulation to seal the metal against corrosive desert soil. Cathodic protection systems are also integrated along the line, sending low-voltage electrical currents to actively prevent chemical rust. Every single electronic node and sensor line is deeply embedded into the structural concrete casing for ultimate protection. The pipeline then transitions into deep subterranean pathways, diving smoothly beneath natural stone barriers and dry riverbeds. Massive horizontal directional drilling rigs carve out underground channels without disturbing the fragile desert surface environment. These heavy drilling operations run constantly, guided by precision telemetry systems that track the exact path subterraneanly. The drilling telemetry monitors the exact subterranean path, ensuring the bit avoids critical fault lines and ancient geomorphic formations. As the massive borehole clears, the heavy steel pipe sections are pulled smoothly through the underground channel. Specialized low-friction lubricants are continuously injected around the conduit exterior to prevent intense abrasive structural wear. This advanced horizontal installation allows the entire water system to bypass major surface roadways without interrupting logistics. Simultaneously, at the massive coastal terminal, the primary water filtration infrastructure operates on a staggering scale. Gigantic raw seawater intake manifolds pull millions of gallons directly from the deep Mediterranean coastal currents. The incoming water passes through multi-stage industrial course screens to remove large marine debris and sand. From there, it enters high-capacity flocculation basins, where microparticles settle out under strict chemical control. The clarified water is then forced under immense pressure toward the heart of the desalination facility. This core system utilizes vast arrays of industrial reverse osmosis membranes housed inside high-grade steel bowls. To push seawater through these nanoscale membrane filters, high-pressure pumps must generate over 70 bar. This extreme pressure separates pure freshwater molecules from the dense, mineral-rich brine with absolute consistency. The resulting fresh water undergoes final chemical remineralization to ensure it meets strict agricultural delivery standards. Every single stage of this chemical adjustment is monitored by automatic spectrographic sensors along the line. The purified water mass then moves into massive staging reservoirs, ready to enter the main desert carrier system. From these staging reservoirs, the crystal-clear water mass begins its incredible journey into the main desert carrier pipeline. The first major engineering obstacle involves pushing this massive volume across deep desert ravines and unstable soil zones. To handle these challenging geological conditions, engineers constructed heavy reinforced concrete bridge piers to suspend the pipeline. These solid bridge structures support the heavy steel conduit perfectly, allowing it to cross deep valleys safely. Specialized mechanical slide bearings are placed under the pipe to allow small movements caused by massive structural weight. This allows the entire steel line to shift naturally during minor seismic events without risking a catastrophic rupture. Further along the route, the massive conduit encounters steep mountain passes that require immense pressure adjustments. Automated pressure management facilities are placed strategically to regulate the immense velocity of the incoming flow. Inside these stations, giant hydraulic pressure-reducing valves adjust constantly to stabilize internal kinetic energy forces. Heavy electronic actuators move the solid valve gates by mere fractions of a millimeter based on real-time data. This microscopic adjustment prevents localized overpressurization, keeping the system operating within safe physical design tolerances. The entire water network is tracked by a sophisticated fiber optic SCADA monitoring grid buried alongside the pipeline. Continuous laser signals pulses run through these specialized glass fiber lines to measure minute pressure fluctuations. Any sudden drop in temperature or slight structural movement changes the light reflection path instantly inside the cable. This real-time telemetry allows the main computer center to pinpoint potential leaks within seconds across vast distances. This advanced monitoring grid runs continuously, feeding data straight into automated security terminals to prevent any operational disruption. At designated intervals along the pipeline route, massive secondary distribution basins branch out into the local terrain. These subterranean division manifolds split the primary hydraulic force cleanly into hundreds of smaller managed irrigation lines. The transition from an industrial megascale carrier to regional agricultural utility requires incredible pressure reduction sequences. Specialized vortex flow dissipators are installed within the concrete junctions to absorb excess kinetic energy safely. The swirling motion inside these heavy dissipator chambers reduces water velocity without generating destructive internal shock waves. From these quiet junctions, the managed flow enters localized underground networks, lining the vast desert agricultural zones. Automated filtration batteries at every single field entrance screen the water again to protect regional irrigation hardware. These high-efficiency disc filters backwash automatically based on pressure differential data, operating without human intervention. Now, the water is perfectly conditioned to supply the extensive network of high-tech agricultural greenhouses nearby.
We are currently inside one of the largest automated greenhouse facilities in the UK, where engineering and agriculture merge seamlessly.
There is absolutely no room for error, as any localized pressure failure would completely halt regional production. Every single element operates in perfect harmony to secure the main agricultural backbone of this entire nation. Inside these massive smart greenhouses, thousands of computer-controlled micro-dripper lines are laid across the soil. The purified water is delivered directly to plant root zones with sub-milliliter precision, minimizing evaporation losses. This ultra-precise drip delivery completely bypasses the brutal ambient air heat, channeling moisture directly where biology requires it most. Automated nutrient injection manifolds are perfectly coupled to the line, enriching the pure water stream with absolute precision. Every single plant root receives an identical, pre-programmed chemical balance, calculated dynamically by real-time soil moisture sensors. The systematic convergence of mechanical infrastructure and advanced agronomy yields unprecedented cultivation metrics inside the arid landscape. Massive rows of hydroponic structures stand perfectly suspended, completely independent of the infertile desert sand below. From these controlled environments, millions of tons of high-grade organic produce are harvested smoothly every single season. The immediate transformation of barren sand into dense agricultural abundance serves as the ultimate proof of human capability. This massive network is not merely an engineering feat. It serves as the primary economic engine of the state. By securing a constant freshwater backbone, the nation completely eliminates its dependency on volatile regional climate patterns. A sophisticated, automated logistics fleet operates right outside the greenhouse portals, prepping massive yields for global supply chains. Heavy refrigeration trucks line up in absolute silence, loading high-value crops destined for international consumption hubs within hours. This seamless integration of heavy industrial mechanics and microscale farming completely redefines global food security paradigms.
The integration of AI and robotics here at the Logistics Hub has revolutionized our approach to sustainable agriculture and large-scale food production.
Every single cubic meter of water rushing through the main line directly translates into domestic resource sovereignty. The desert is no longer an insurmountable physical barrier, but an active, hyper-productive space for technical innovation. The operational persistence of this entire water carrier network relies on an elite fleet of high-tech maintenance machinery. Heavy-duty automated inspection crawlers travel inside secondary dry lines to check coating surfaces via laser measurement arrays. These mechanical units scan the internal steel cylinder smoothly, transmitting high-resolution structural integrity logs to regional offices. Any microscopic corrosion pattern or mineral buildup is identified instantly, allowing technicians to plan swift preventative operations. Outside the underground pathways, dedicated heavy mechanical excavators stand ready to manage surface land stability criteria. The systematic interaction between advanced robotics and durable metallurgy guarantees an uninterrupted life cycle for the project. As global environmental pressures mount, this regional solution serves as a critical blueprint for future resource engineering. The complete mastery over water distribution parameters proves that modern technology can effectively neutralize severe geographical limitations. This artificial river continues to surge quietly beneath the hot sands, delivering thousands of cubic meters every hour. The structural reality of this achieved agricultural miracle remains an undeniable monument to meticulous human foresight and resolve. Every single element operates in perfect harmony to secure the main agricultural backbone of this entire nation. The systematic convergence of heavy industrial mechanics and micro-scale farming completely redefines global food security paradigms. This artificial water carrier grid stands as the ultimate triumph of systematic engineering over raw physical adversity.
We're live at the Al Wahat project, where this stunning green oasis is thriving against all odds, thanks to innovative British engineering and
By expanding the boundaries of heavy mechanical design, humanity continues to forge its own path across the planet.